Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And stay tuned for the pick a card reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Ace of Sons, Nine of Stars in reverse, the Chariot. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are going through some changes. Maybe whatever your circumstances were before, today you are seeing good changes, positive changes. Circumstances are resolving. Maybe if you face troubles in your work, maybe some delays, suspensions. Today you have overcome all those troubles. You are seeing a positive change, things falling into place, circumstances going well as it should, and you are happy. And you are seeing yourself much stronger emotionally. Emotionally, you are at a much better place. That may be true about your relationship. Maybe the way you feel in this love with this person, things are really going in a harmonious way. You have balance, a good understanding with this person, and you are wishing for good things in this love for yourself and for your the person you love. And maybe you have something worrying you. It may be some fears or something stressing you because you are not sure, not certain about what this person is thinking about you or thinking about this love. So you are worried and anxious whether this person will leave you, whether this person will neglect you. So you have a lot of fears, but these fears are not based on a definitive cause. You are not absolutely certain that this person is avoiding you or neglecting you. You are just afraid, anxious that something may go wrong, something may go against your wishes. So you are just worrying yourself simply. And these worries are of no use if it is not based on truth. So maybe today you will see clarity in those doubts and fears, whatever is making you anxious. You will come out of this anxiety in your circumstance because I see that you are moving towards a healthy relationship, balance of mind, harmony in this connection. That is what I see. Good things are coming to you, Gemini. Good circumstances are unfolding in your situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Two of Moons in reverse. So, in this love, in this connection, The reason why circumstances were not good may be because they are quite jealous of you, or they envy you for some reason. Maybe you are good, you are doing extremely well in your career, you are in a good position in life. That may be the reason. Or maybe there are certain things you are unable to work in a harmonious way in this relationship, maybe to bring that understanding. Maybe your ideas and your beliefs may be different from theirs. That may be the reason. But whatever it is, Gemini, whatever problems, I feel that everything is changing. Everything is resolving, and all your troubles in this relationship is coming to an end, Gemini. So for your career situation, we have one card, Apprentice of Spheres. So with this card, in your work, you are someone hard working, you are very focused, and that may be the reason you are going to see good opportunities coming towards you. People may be supporting you and guiding you in your career, helping you out. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it says Bluebeard, Taboos. So in your circumstances today, you may be really close to someone. It may be the person you love, or it may be a friend of yours. But this person has a lot of secrets, and maybe you are curious to know more about this person. You want to find out more information about them because you feel that they are not telling you the truth, or they are not being honest with you. But the truth they are hiding may be dangerous to you, may be dangerous to this relationship you have with them. But you need to be curious. You need to find out about them, because this relationship, if it holds a lot of secrets, these are not good secrets, and you cannot forgive this person for whatever they are holding from you. So there are certain things that are happening in this relationship between you both. There are a lot of difficulties, a lot of emotions or feelings you are hiding, or this person is hiding from you. And it may be quite dangerous for them to reveal the truth because they are afraid that they may lose you. But you should be close to this person only if you have a complete understanding. If you do not have a complete understanding about them, you should take a step back, and you must listen to people who are close to you, your friends or family members whom you trust and whom you know for sure are really concerned about your welfare. So you must trust to their ideas and suggestions. Maybe they will be able to see things that you are not able to see clearly about this person, about this love. So you must respect their suggestions, listen to it. That is going to help you today. So that is the energy here with this card. And whatever secrets are being hidden from you, today all those secrets are coming out for sure, and you will know the truth today in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have come to the edge. So with this card, the energy for y'all is that this may be the time for you to take a risk. It may be for something beautiful. Maybe when you are having some inhibition to be close to someone, when you are holding something, holding your emotions or feelings not to be revealed, and you don't want to be really intimate with anyone because you are afraid that they will know your true heart. But taking that risk is going to help you. Only when you build a relationship on truth, it is going to last forever. So it is necessary, it's important to speak up, to tell this other person what you need to tell them. Tell about yourself. Tell about what your hopes are and what your dreams are. And this is not the time to play it safe. This may be the time to take the leap of faith. And you will be glad that you did it, because if you are seeking a truthful relationship, that is the first step. So letting this other person see your true self, your true nature, your true emotions, that is going to help you, and that is going to work in a magical way. By taking this risk, you are building a beautiful relationship based on trust and honesty. So you must take heart and take that leap of faith. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.